Hey everyone. So we're going to take a look at basically a UI kind of side project. So what you see on screen right now is actually a screen capture from Spider-Man Miles Morales. And what I wanted to do was take a lot of this UI and just practice mocking it up. So you see here we have like health bar, abilities, web shooters, camouflage, you have your mission details, and you have your aiming reticle. So here in Unity, we actually have a scene I've built using the template for third person, and you can see some of the components are already visible here on screen, but if you hit play, it'll actually take us in there. So in the third person template, you can just walk around and things like that, but I added some functionality just to show off the different UI components built. So first we have left click, which uses our ability on the top right of the screen. And if we just stop, it'll recharge after a certain amount of time back to full. Then we have right under it more of like would be an ability bar that has a certain amount of uses before you need to maybe pick up an object or something to refresh. So that can be fired using the right click. You could see after you expend it all, no more. And obviously in a game, you'd add functionality to go with this UI. On the left, we have our green health bar, and we set up just a little damage trap. And if you enter it, you get hurt. And you do it again, you get hurt again, and then you walk out. So with all that health lost, let's get some back. And boom, all the health's restored. So that basically is there to show off functionality when it comes to health bars and things like that. So what do we do while we're in here? Let's check what's going on with these stairs. Oh, what's that? A little mission. Check what's upstairs. So you saw how our mission pop up. And if you notice on the left side, there's a bar under the health bar, and I turned that into be like an experience bar basically. So when the player gets health, damage, unlocks more parts of the mission, the experience points will build up. And when it builds up enough, then you basically end up with another level, is basically how that functionality will work. And that covers this UI I built based on the Spider-Man Miles Morales game.